so you're gonna have 4 problems to do using the quadratic formula for an assignment today. So it's not gonna take you very long, but I wanted to do one with you to warm you up here. So my question to you for this one on the smartboard is it ready to go?
No.
No, so we gotta get that thing in standard form. So I think there's a mixture on your assignment. I think, it seems like some of them are already ready and some of them aren't, so make sure you check for that. So what I would do here to get this one ready, first off, is move the 3x over, so subtract it from itself and its buddy. And then I also need to move that positive 4 over, so I'm gonna subtract it from itself and its buddy. So it's gonna leave me with 5x squared minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, do we look like standard form now? Yep, so that means, what's my A?
5.
Good. What's my B?
-7.
Y'all are good, and your C?
Negative.
Okay, so now all you gotta do is plug it in. So I'm gonna say x equals negative, whoops, hold on, rewind, I already messed up. Negative B means it'll be a positive 7. X equals negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Alrighty, so everybody okay to that point? Y'all can plug them in, set them up. Now I'm gonna simplify underneath the radical. So I've got x is 7 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 squared is a positive 49. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. And then negative 20 times negative 3 is a positive 60. Okay. Oh, something caught Christians. Now I'm gonna add that 49 and 60. Is that 109?
Yep.
Alright, now 109 is a funny number. 10 squared is 100, 11 squared is 121, so we skipped 109, so it's not a perfect square. So you start going backwards to try to find something that goes evenly into it. And I like that Christian remembered a divisibility rule. The digits don't add to a multiple of 3, so it's not divisible by 3. That's a good rule. 109 is actually a pretty large prime number.
Oh.
Usually we think big numbers have to have something that goes into it, but nothing other than 1 and 109 will go into that. So that's one of your larger prime numbers. So then I can't break that down. 7 over 10 doesn't reduce, so that's my final answer. Remember, when you're working on your assignment, those are the things you check for. See if you can break down underneath the radical, see if you can reduce the fraction. Okay? So it's a whole worksheet again, but I told you which 4 to do. I think it's the middle section, the left-hand column. Does that look right? Yeah, Zach concurs.
Are there any that we didn't do, like?
No, I didn't do, that one wasn't one. So you got,
I mean, like, we say, like, what kind of.
no, you're solving them all the way. Good, that's a good question. She was asking about, remember we did that discriminant yesterday? But you gotta solve them all the way.
It's making me mad. It's doing the thing